Looking for higher performance tablet production? Let me introduce you a good one. Our HZP 1520D Tablet Press Machine. Higher output and stable tablet weights in a small size. Max output 95,000 pieces per hour. With double layer impeller force feeder, the feeding is stable and accurate. Ingredient circulation system, safe material, no powder remaining on turntable. Meets CGMP standards. The PLC screen displays each punch in real time, instantly detecting any irregular compression force. This feature automatically detects and rejects defective tablets, improving the quality of your tableting production. The HZP series is our best-selling tablet press machine, has been welcomed by many customers in the United States, Europe, and Australia. If you are interested in our machines, don't hesitate to contact us.